I am prepared. I have set up all my things. I have given myself tasks. I am in place. I have started. You can come. I will be in this room for a long time. I sit with my back against you. I allow you to see me, but only in the way I want. I control your gaze. I control where you look and what you see. I want you to see me.
Recording you.
I'm recording you.
I'm recording you.
I'm recording you.
And they're recording
documenting
us.
you, documenting me.
If you're working in the kind of core idea of concentric circles with the practitioner in the center and then the director and then the videographer, what happens is deeply co-authored because the practitioner is doing something, but what they're doing is deeply affected by the director. And then the trace of that is completely structured by the videographer. So that video that you have is this very unique trace of that moment. It's absolutely not traditional performance documentation. That's the main thing that I'm kind of saying in the context of the course.
So today I have invited a group of artist researchers to speak about what documentation does to performance and live experience. Starting from a couple of keywords, we will share thoughts and methods that shed light to issues of documentation. Our aim is to discuss how documentation can implement tools of liveness. How does this resonate with the concept of documentation? Reenactment and memory, and should we at all call the transformation of performance to documentation? What do you have to say about that, Mark?
The problem is the word documentation. We can document anything in any way we want. Is it documentation or is it just documentation? Are we just mentioning things that we want to document? It's very confusing.
Any other thoughts?
I will try now to press the button replay, and as I see, it's kind of interesting because I don't know to whom I'm speaking. I'm not really finding the camera, also the lens here. So I look and I'm looking to a point, but I don't know even if this is the right point to enter this camera at this device. I really would like to be maybe now inside of this device. But yeah, maybe I still have to practice and learn a little bit, being closer with this device, understanding that this device might be an emotional extension of my body. And here to speak, I leave you with that message from Gothenburg, from a normal day. No, normal day. No, we're not living in normal days. This is the last thing I would say. From a current state